In this video we'll show you how to adjust the size of the band of a watch. So let's say you buy a watch in internet, you don't buy in a shop, and you want to adjust by yourself to fit the size of your wrist here. So the first solution, here you have 4 points in the lock. So the first solution is to attach this band to a different point. So let's say now it's too tight, I want it more loose. This is attached using a spring bar. So we need to push here with some tool and change the hole. So this gives us like 1 centimeter of freedom to change the size. But if this is not enough, we need to add or remove parts in this chain. So I will show you with this little one how to deattach them. I will use this tool, 2068B. I will put in the link below where to get this. So this is the tool to take out the pieces that put this together. And it's important to see to which side we should push to take them out. Some watches will have an indication below, is an arrow to tell you to which side they go out. If they don't have this indication, we see that in this side they are not very well finished, while here they are well finished, like the very same that the surface of this side. So it means they should come out to the side that they fit very well to the surface. Let's say we want to take out this piece. This including these two. So we have to push into this hole. We place this here. And once it's in place, we start screwing this. And we see that in the other side, this pivot is going out. Okay, we can screw out. And now we just pull it. It comes out and this deattach. So now we can do this as many as we want to increase or decrease the size of this, and to put it back we just do the inverse operation. We push it in by hand. It can be a bit difficult if they are not well aligned. I can push it till the last 2 millimeters, but then now it becomes very hard. So I will use the tool to help. Slowly. Okay, now it's in place. It should hold by its own pressure. And I hope this was useful and you can do it by yourself when you buy some watch online. See you in the next video. Bye.